Asana versus Wrike for project managers, which is top? That's the question we'll answer today. So if you've been struggling to choose between these two popular project management tools, stay tuned. We'll compare them head to head and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs, whether you're managing a small team or a large-scale operation. Let's start with Asana. Known for its sleek interface, Asana is a go-to choice for many project managers. It's built around the concept of tasks and projects, allowing teams to organize work with ease. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track progress. The visual boards, timelines, and project templates make it easy to stay organized. But while Asana is user-friendly, it can sometimes be too simplistic for more complex workflows. If you need advanced project reporting or heavy customizability, you might find Asana lacking in these areas. Plus, for larger teams, Asana's pricing can quickly escalate, especially if you need to unlock premium features. Next thing, Wrike. Wrike is another powerhouse in the project management space. It offers a more robust set of features compared to Asana, especially when it comes to reporting and task customization. Wrike provides Gantt charts, time tracking, and detailed workflows that can be crucial for managing multiple teams and projects. It's also highly customizable, so you can tailor it to fit your exact needs. However, this customization can make Wrike feel more complicated and overwhelming to new users. The interface isn't as sleek as Asana's, and there's a bit of a learning curve to get used to the platform. Plus, like Asana, Wrike's advanced features come with a price tag, so depending on your team size and feature requirements, it might be more expensive than you anticipated. The third thing we need to consider is integrations. Asana and Wrike both integrate with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, but Wrike generally has a more extensive selection. Wrike also offers more advanced features like time tracking and resource management built right into the platform, which can be essential for project managers handling large teams or complex projects. On the flip side, Asana's integrations work well for most users, but if you need something beyond the basics, you might find Wrike's offerings more helpful. The fourth thing to talk about is team collaboration. Asana really shines in this area with its easy-to-use comment sections, project conversations, and integrations with communication tools like Slack. It's perfect for smaller teams or those who prioritize simple collaboration over complex reporting. On the other hand, Wrike is better suited for larger teams where detailed project tracking and real-time updates are a necessity. If your projects require more structure and detailed workflows, Wrike might be the better choice. Now, as we've discussed, both Asana and Wrike have their strengths and weaknesses. Asana is fantastic for small teams that need simplicity and easy task management. Wrike, on the other hand, is the better option for those looking for advanced features and deeper customization, especially when managing larger projects. So, here's the bottom line. Both Asana and Wrike are solid project management tools, but after testing both extensively, I'd recommend a better alternative if your goal is to maximize efficiency without all the complexity. If you want a tool that's even easier to use, has better reporting features, and is more affordable, you'll want to check out the link in the description. You can get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits only available to my viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out.